Hello everyone, this is Teo Yixiang from Food Service. Today I would like to present my special assignment, the potato biscuit. And this is the ingredient will be used salted butter, icing sugar, milk powder, potato starch, cake flour, and also the dry cranberry because we will have the two favorite for this potato biscuit. First, we will weigh out all the ingredients that we will use for this potato biscuit. Second, we'll try to add on some butter. Due in the recipe, we are using the salted butter from Ensure. We choose the salted butter because that we don't want to add on more or excess of the salt into the biscuit dough. They will make the dough become too salty and the product of biscuit not delicious. So we are using this butter, and the butter also can add on the aroma and also the flavor to the biscuit and make the biscuits more delicious and tasty. Then we will add on the icing sugar into the dough. The sugar not just give the sweetness and also it will give the moisture texture of the biscuit after the baking, and so it will attracting the ingredient that we add on in the bowl. After stir the butter and the icing sugar until melt, now we will try to add on the cake flour, potato starch, and also the milk powder into the bowl. Before we add on this ingredient, we will we will filter it to make sure the flour in the small molecule but not in a big compound because the structure that is rough will make the texture of the biscuit become not enough soft. After mixing all the ingredients, now we'll cut the dough into two portions for different flavor of the potato biscuit.
点慢点看怎么一半一半出来，我们去扣一半吗？好嘛，要拿去放进去。这个要拿一个碗。
And before we put the dough into the chiller, we'll wrap the dough with the catering film. It can make sure that the dough can maintain its structure but don't lose the moisture. And we'll put the dough into the chiller. After 20 minutes, we take the dough out of the chiller and now we would like to make the small bowl from the dough. Each bowl of the dough we will have maximum or the average is about 5 to 6 gram. The gram that we determine will make sure the dough will not break or will not burst when baked in the oven. And now we're using the weight scale to take the average of the weight and using the hand to make sure the dough can be pushed for shape to the bowl shape. After bowl shape have done, we will use the hand to push it become flat, and we may use the forks to have a shape or pattern on the top of the biscuit, just a normal shape.
那知道你在处理的，那个，我看到整个跟哎呀，在下面。
And after done, now I putting the biscuit into the oven. Before we put the biscuit into the oven, we need to preheat the oven, and also we will bake the biscuit at 550 degrees Celsius with about 20 to 25 minutes. And we will bake the biscuit until golden brown for the last product. After done, we'll take out the biscuit from the oven and we'll put on the cooling rack to make sure the biscuit become more hardened.
这样子，好了。
This is the final product, and later on we'll show the interaction between me and my mother.
妹啊，赶快加。好了好了，你等一下。
那要吃。
妹，你不要看先，你不是想要说？
有，这样好啊，会录进去的。我还是要放一点那个有声音的。
我没知道，我有一首。
啊，一首歌这样。有吗？
找到什么？
等一下，另外一个地方。等一下。
我先放这个片。
等一下，等它出来哦，我们先放在另外一边。因为我这个哦，手都要给它剪一下，不然它太过粗啊，很难没有办法压下去。你做那很是不错。
啊，我要测吗？
不用剪，等一下先，我们等一下测那。
已经没有那个什么了。
什么没有？我们等一下才做，这才第一。
And this is the last of the video. And here, I would like to thank you everyone for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and also like.